Morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am at the Unicorn Kiddies Play Area. It's now 8 o'clock in the morning, and they've even got EV hookup. No hookups up there, but as you can see, there's quite a few campers here, and it's free. But terms are that you go in and you use the pub for food and drink. So yeah, I had a couple of pints and some chips last night. I didn't say how much we got to spend. So, I mean, it's a big old pub. It's the hotel, it is. It's the Unicorn Hotel. I'll put the 3 words for it. It's up north, you know, where it's cold. And saying that now, as you can see, we got beautiful sunshine. It's now Sunday, and I'm booked in for Sunday roast anyway. Made sure of that. There's supposed to be a car boot sale here today. Yeah, you see they put the chair out, so there should be a car boot here on the front of the pub, and this afternoon on the back of the pub where we are, they got a classic car show, so looking forward to that. Yeah, so you got the Unicorn Hotel right next to Tom Brown's. I don't like that word Browns. Always reminds me of vodka. Oh, some nice poppies. Dying off now. Oh, and some tulips. Yeah, they're tulips. They're not poppies, they're bloody tulips. Well, and black ones as well. Yeah, I'm right on the River Trent. And I'm out for a little wander around, see what is around. By all counts, the best way to go is upriver. But no, it's downriver. I can see the stuff floating past. Yeah, river's quite high, really, because we have had an awful lot of rain over the last couple of months. So I'm taking my walkabout. There you go, and that's just answered my question. It's Gunthorpe Nature Reserve, Riverside Nature Reserve. But people coming now, so I got to stop. I just looked. You see how early it is in the morning. Look how long my shadow is. It's short, fat and dumpy, but that stretched me out a bit. The road's up there, and the main road goes over there, because there's a junction right there. Yeah, the main road goes over the top of the bridge. Well, it wouldn't go through the river, would it? It's a wide river. Couple of geese coming in. No wonder they get shot making that much noise coming in. On the site last night, they all came down to this place. The Bayleaf is an Indian restaurant, and they all came down to have an Indian. Well, being the diabetic I am, I ain't allowed an Indian because they are very sweet. Bridge and Bayleaf. I've walked a fair way now. I'm coming down to the open river now. The reflection I'm getting back off the water. It's another cafe, restaurant type thing. I don't know whether I'm supposed to go down on here. It does say it's private, but what the hell. Yeah. And then you get the glisten off the water. Totally ruined the film. Instant self-storage. Yeah, it is peaceful. I mean, I can hear the roar of that bloody weir. And it's a lock system there as well. It's good. Every little space that they can. They've tucked boats into them. I mean, they're dry docking over there. It's like they pull the boat out. Kingfisher Wharf Limited. But this is the entrance to the lock. There's the weir over the far side there. And yeah, I like it. Lots of little places that you can explore off into as well, and all these little sort of cafe, restaurant type things that are popping up as you're walking along. I don't know whether the mic is picking up the roar or the background. But we're going to get to cross over the loch now. There's a Bristow there. So, let's go to where all the noise is coming from. Cross over the bridge. Oh, it says no unauthorised access only. So I can't cross over the bridge. Yeah, so that's holding back the river. Always a leak. There's definitely some foam on the water. And this is a lock from the other side, but look how turbulent the river is now. You can still hear. Oh yeah, a beautiful walk. Let's go down by the river in wet grass. Slip and go swimming, eh? There's the weir. I should have fetched it. No, it's too windy to fetch the drone. I did think about bringing the drone, but it's a bit still a bit windy. And you might be able to hear that on the microphones. Well, shame I can't go in the middle and have a closer look at that weir. Or the drone, I would have. Right, I'm not walking any farther. Farther. No fishing. Right, and let's sort of waddle back now. At least I haven't got the sun in my eyes now, so filming is better as well. A couple of blue tits. Yeah. Pedestrian priority. Dog friendly courtyard. Yeah, cook 'em. Yeah, you can see the barrier now. That stops boats and that floating down off the edge of the weir. So I suppose once you get past that, the pull is too great. Not many tables and chairs in there. I just like the calm and tranquility of it. Loads of benches out there. Motor lawn. It is so peaceful. And I don't know whether you can see right down the far end there. My shadow's shorter now. I don't know what time it is. But the car boot sale is building up. There's some beautiful property here, but it's worth a fortune. I don't think I'd want to live here, knowing how the Trent does flood. Yeah. Go back now, see what's in the car boot. If there's not enough there, I'll go and have a cup of tea. Seven stalls. So obviously there's not an awful lot there to see. Oh, we got the ducks. Yeah. Oh, I tell you what, a bloody bitter wind. It's now 10 o'clock. Oh, yeah, 10 o'clock now. and I frightened the ducks off. Boo. Oh, no, there's another one down there. Two down there. Yeah. Nothing to do and all day to do it in. Yeah, I should have thought there's going to be a few more yet. But the snack bars, they stuck right at the far end there. There's a fair gap between them. Purely because they're running generators, I think. I wouldn't want to sit there listening to a generator all day. All right.
Yeah, mate, you.
Yeah.
What carpet's changed from the
It's enough bling for me.